Hi, welcome to the first and only episode of How to Make a Snowflake with Andie. So you take your piece of paper, and like you're making a fortune teller in middle school, you fold it into a square, and you cut off the excess paper. So you just cut this section off, and you leave it folded in the triangle. So once you have this triangle, okay, you're going to keep it the way it is, and you're going to fold it again. So now it's going to be a smaller triangle. Okay, once you're at this point, it should look like this, and you're actually going to fold it in 2/3. It's kind of tricky. You might have to do it a couple times, but you're eventually going to get it kind of looking like this. Okay, but you want it to line up perfectly. So I'm gonna do that, try to get it good. Okay, so here it is. Okay, it's gonna have two little ears, and you're gonna cut along this line, just straight across. And at this point, if you unfolded it, it would look like this. So it gives you that round shape. And then you just kind of cut. The more cuts you make, the better. If you make a V at the top, it'll give you points. And you kind of just learn as you go. But if you cut on the sides, anything that you cut into the side is going to be mirrored. I have an example of just a lot of cuts, very simple. And if you cut the very tip, it'll have a hole in the center. Did I already say that? I don't know. So if I unfold this guy, again, this is like 5 cuts, so it's super simple. But when I unfold it, it looks pretty cool. So there's that. Another one had 1, 2, 3, 4, a couple, I don't know, 6 or 7 cuts. So it really doesn't have to be a lot, but the more cuts you make and the least amount of paper that is left, the cooler your snowflake's gonna look. So if I can get this open. You can have a lot of fun with it. It's very therapeutic for me. So here's this one. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. You can also, when you have your paper cut into the square, you can cut it into 4ths, and then you can make mini snowflakes. They're a little harder just because the cuts are so small, but it could be fun to have a variety. So yeah, just make as many as you can. It's gonna look awesome. You guys are awesome. Merry Christmas.